combining PMP skills with IoT and blockchain. IoT is a network of connected devices. They collect, share, and analyze data in real time. IoT has transformed data use in decision-making. It spans smart homes, wearables, industrial equipment, and supply chains. Blockchain is a decentralized, distributed ledger. It ensures secure, transparent, and immutable record-keeping. Blockchain was once known for its role in cryptocurrency. It now has applications in healthcare, finance, and logistics. Integration into project initiation. IoT in project initiation. PMP certified pros can use IoT devices. They can gather real-time data for feasibility studies and stakeholder analysis. For example, sensors in a construction project can provide accurate data. Enhanced planning. IoT for data-driven planning. IoT devices can use real-time data. They can monitor resources, predict risks, and optimize schedules. In manufacturing, IoT sensors can track equipment. They ensure it's available and working to avoid delays. Streamlined execution. IoT in resource management. IoT can automate resource allocation. It can do this by monitoring usage patterns and finding inefficiencies. For example, in IT projects, IoT systems can adjust server resources based on workload. IoT and blockchain in smart cities. Smart city projects involve numerous interconnected systems. IoT devices manage utilities, traffic, and waste. Blockchain ensures secure data sharing among stakeholders. PMP certified professionals can lead these projects. IoT and blockchain in healthcare. In healthcare projects, IoT devices monitor patients and track equipment. Blockchain secures patient records and ensures compliance with regulations. PMP skills in risk management and stakeholder engagement are critical. Conclusion. In conclusion, integrating IoT and blockchain into project management is now a must. It's needed to stay competitive in today's fast-paced business world. PMP certified professionals can lead this transformation.